Hi children, today we have a lovely exercise. Change the place of the adjectives. You are given two sentences, find the adjective, read the sentence and see how we can rearrange again. Alright, so we're going to look at the change the place of the adjective in the sentences. We are learning to read here. We are also learning to locate adjective in both the sentences that I'll give you. Let's look at our first picture. Okay? Good. Here we are. Can you see a lovely place, a lovely car here? Okay? Look. Let's read the sentence. Come on. The sentence begins with a cap letter, ends with a full stop. Read. This is a big car. Now what describes the car? Big. So this is a big car. Big describes where the car is. What size? Big or small or tiny, whatever. Now, the same sentence now, keeping the big in mind, the adjective, let's rewrite the sentence. How will you write it? You will write, this car is big. Good. So we'll write, this car is big. In both the sentence, the adjective big is there, describing how big is the car. The car is big. How this car is, how this, look at this car. Describe this car. This car is big. This is a big car. This car is big. So we are learning to read the sentence. We are learning to locate the adjective. The sentence begins with a capital and ends with a full stop. Both the sentences mean the same. This is a big car. This car is big. Yes? You like the exercise? Shall we look at another exercise? Look at our next picture. See what we have here. Food. You love to eat food. Yes? Look at all the things there. Broccoli, cauliflower, carrot, tomato and whatnot. Okay, let's read the sentence. This is a healthy food. So if you eat all this food, what do you tell? How can you describe this full food? Healthy. Whatever we eat, we should be healthy. So this is a healthy food. Healthy. Now, let's rearrange. The word that describes the food is healthy. Now, let's write another sentence with the same word, healthy, describing the food. What will you say? This food is healthy. This is a healthy food. How do you write with the same adjective? This food is healthy. This food is healthy. You eat and you'll be healthy. You like the exercise? Let's go to another picture. Look. See what we have here? A lovely, huge house here. What kind of house? Let's read the sentence and find out. This is a posh house. Very huge and posh. So what describes the house? Posh. One look at it, grand, posh house. This is a posh house. So what describes the house? Posh. So posh is the descriptive word here for the house. Let's rewrite the sentence using the same adjective posh. This house is posh. Good. This house is posh. In both, we have used the same adjective. We arranged the sentence words differently. Are you enjoying the exercise? Let's read again. Remember, in this exercise, we are learning to read the two sentences. We are identifying the adjectives. This is a posh house. This house is posh. Good. Let's go to another picture. Look at the beautiful picture given to you. Look, it's a bush. This is a small bush. What describes the bush? That it is small. Small is that's the descriptive word for the bush. Small bush. This is a small bush. Small is a descriptive word. We learn to read the sentence. This is a small bush. Let's use the same small and rewrite. This bush is small. Good. This bush is small. So you're becoming very clever now. This is a small bush. How will you write again? This bush is small. Good. So we learn to read the sentence, identify the adjectives in the sentence and rearranging to this is a small bush. This bush is small. Let's take another picture. Look. Gorgeous, lovely little bird. Yes? Look. This is a beautiful bird. This is a beautiful bird. What describes the bird? Beautiful. This is a beautiful bird. Good, you're learning to read. Now, let's take the beautiful and the bird and write again. Good. This bird is beautiful. This bird is beautiful. Good. This is a beautiful bird. This bird is beautiful. Are you enjoying, children? Good. Let's go on to another picture. See what we have here? Our boys who are doing something there. Okay? Let's read the sentence. These are clever boys. These are clever boys. What describes the boys? Clever. These are clever boys. The descriptive word clever, the boys. Let's use it. What will you say? These boys are clever. Very good. These boys are clever. The descriptive word we have used again here. These are clever boys. These boys are clever. Good. Are you enjoying this exercise? Changing the descriptive word? Yes, you'll have to identify the adjective in both the sentence and write it differently. Let's go on to another picture. Look. Have you traveled in a train? Look at the long, beautiful train journey. Let's read the sentence. This is a long train. You can't see the other end. This is a long train. What describes the train? Long. Let's rewrite the sentence using the same adjective. This train is long. Very good. This train is long. So we are learning to read sentences. Good. Identifying adjectives. Good. This is a long train. This train is long. Let's go on to another picture. Look. Look at this. Have you seen a dam like this? What is a dam? Where they collect water, store water during rainy season, and you get it in your tap. Okay? Now, look. That is a huge dam. That is a huge dam. What is to describe this dam? That it is huge. That dam is huge. Okay, that is a huge dam. We use the descriptive word. What will you say? That dam is huge. Read the sentence again. That is a huge dam. Change the wordings. That dam is huge. Huge means very big, large. It can hold a lot of water. Good. So now you've seen a dam between the hills. Yes? Good. Let's go on to another picture. We are learning to read sentences. We are learning to locate, identify descriptive word and rearrange too. Look at this. What is the festival when we have a lot of lights? We call that festival Diwali. Diwali. Read the sentence. Diwali is a grand Festival. You like Diwali? Full lights all over, full color all over. Yes, Diwali is a grand festival. What describes the festival? Grand, it is very grand. Let's use the word grand and rearrange. You write. How will you rearrange the festival? You will say Diwali festival is grand. Diwali festival is grand. Read the sentence with me. Diwali is a grand festival. Diwali festival is grand. Good. Let's go to another picture. Look at the lovely juicy mangoes we have here. Yes? These are sweet mangoes. What describes the mangoes? That they are sweet. Sweet mangoes. Read the sentence. These are sweet mangoes. Begins with the capital letter, ends with the full stop. And what describes the mangoes? That they are sweet. Let's use the same descriptive word in another sentence. These mangoes are sweet. These mangoes are sweet. Read again. These are sweet mangoes. These mangoes are sweet. Good. Are you enjoying? Good. Let's go on to another picture. We are learning to read the sentences. Good, children. Look at this. You love to have colorful balloons like this? Good. Let's read the sentence. These are colorful balloons. These are colorful balloons. What describes the balloons? That they are colorful. These are colorful balloons. Now, let's rewrite again. These balloons are colorful. Very good. So, these balloons are colorful. These are colorful balloons. These balloons are colorful. We are learning to read sentences and we identify the adjective that describes the balloon. In both the sentences, only a little change. These are colorful balloons. These balloons are colorful. Good. Shall we go on to another new picture? Look what we have here. A lovely little bird. Let's read the sentence. See how lovely, beautifully it looks. This is a tiny bird. You might have seen in the garden. Might come to your window, a tiny bird. This is a tiny bird. What describes this bird? Tiny. The word tiny describes the bird. Let's rewrite using the same tiny. This bird is tiny. Good. This bird is tiny. This is a tiny bird. This bird is tiny. So we use the adjective in both, but a little change. The sentence you learn to read begins with the capital, ends with the full stop. This is a tiny bird. This bird is tiny. Let's look at a new picture. Look. You know the story of the slow animal? Yes, the tortoise. What does he have? He has a house on his back. He carries his house wherever you go. Read the sentence. This is a slow animal. This is a slow animal. What describes the animal? Slow. Slow. Tortoise is a slow animal. Slow. So now let's use this slow animal. Rewrite the same sentence differently. This animal is slow. This is a slow animal. This animal is slow. We learn to read the sentence. We learn to identify the descriptive word and rearrange it differently. This is a slow animal. This animal is slow. I hope you enjoyed the exercise.